Hello, in this video, we will introduce random access files in C++. The preceding videos, we have all this text files, binary files, but when you read a file, you have to start from the beginning to the end. When you write a file, it's the same. You're going to start from some point. If you append it, you have to start from that point. It's always forward. Now we're going to introduce this random access file, which allows you to go anywhere in the file. So you can say, I'm going to write somewhere in the middle, and I can read and from somewhere at the beginning or anywhere you want. So this is called the random access file. So let's look at this diagram here. This is all this bytes in the file. There is a file pointer. This is where the operation is. You can read from here. You can write from here, this file pointer. File pointer is a special marker. It's a position to indicate where you are in the file. You can use a function to move this position. So this are the functions. Seek p, it's a seek put. Seek p means seek put. This function is for the output stream. And there's a seek g means seek get. This function is for input stream. Each function has two versions with one argument or two arguments. So with one argument, the argument is the absolute location, for example. So this is input.seekg. You're going to seek this location here and move it to the beginning, and seek p. So this is the absolute location, and that's the beginning of the file. Or you can use this relative here is a seek base. So this are the constants you define. So this is the beginning, this is the end, this is the current. So this is for the example here, seek g 100, and here is the beginning. So this means move the file pointer to hundreds bytes from the beginning of the file. So this is negative 100. And this means to move the file pointer to hundreds bytes backward from the end of the file. So this is 42. It means here, move the file position here 42 bytes forward from the current file pointer. This means to move 42 bytes backward from the current position. This is absolute here, is seek p is to move the file pointer hundreds bytes in the file. So also we have this is tail p and tail g. So this functions return the position of the file. So use the tail. You can use tail p and tail g. Let's look at this using this example here. So we have this is the random access file, and this is display student here, display student. And here's the main is the student here. We open the student for this output, and we put this 10 students to the file. So now we are going to write all this 10 students here. We create 10 students, write 10 students, and close it. So after this, so here we have the student. So we are going to now to do this binary IO this moved to the third student, and that is 2 times the size of student. So we're going to use sig G. This is to display current position. We can just use tail G to display it. Now this is to read. Read the student now. Read this third student into student new. And this is to display student new. Now what is the current position after you read it? And that is going to be the 4th student. That is all for this section, random access file. See you on the next video.